Hello everyone. What you observed that when you put the pencil here, it comes down. Here you see, both the pencils comes downward. And if you see clearly the structure, here you see, this is the lower side, this is the upper side. And see, this height is greater than this height. That means we know that all the objects goes downward from higher level to lower level. You see, higher level to lower level it goes. The pencil goes from higher level to lower level due to gravitational force of the earth. Here you see that this pencil is coming downward due to gravitational force of earth. Here you see, both the pencils are coming down. But if we put a structure like this, it is a double cone shaped structure. If we put this cone structure here, you see here, it goes from lower level to higher level. See? Right? And again, if we try to, starting from here, it goes from lower level to higher level. The question is, why it goes from lower level to higher level? That is our question. Let us solve why it goes from lower level to higher level. First of all, if you see this structure, what is this structure? It's a double cone shaped structure, right? And we find the center of mass, right? The center of mass lies in the axis, in this axis. The middle of the axis, the center of mass lies. Here you see, this, if we find the center of mass here, the center of mass will lies in the axis, in the horizontal line of this axis, right? And if we find the center of gravity, the center of gravity will be in the center of this line of axis of this line of axis of rotation. Axis of rotation, the center of gravity lies. I will find the height from this floor, from this height I will measure, right? Let us measure the height from the floor up to here. Let us measure the height. Here the height is nearly if we put it here and let us measure the height, then we are getting a height of about 7 centimeter, right? Now when it goes to the other end, let us find the height from the ground. It is 6 centimeter. That means here the height above the ground is 6 centimeter, but here the height above the ground is 7 centimeter. That means it is going upward, but the center of gravity, you see here the height of center of gravity of this object is 7 centimeter, and the height of the center of gravity here is 6 centimeter. That means it goes from higher level to lower level. But due to the structure of this double cone shaped structure, it seems that it is going from lower level to higher level, but it doesn't happen. Why? Because if you find the center of gravity here, you will find that the center of gravity lies at a height of about 7 centimeter here. Can you see? If you find the height of this, it is 7 centimeter. And if we move this, let us move it to the other end of this. And here, if you measure the height here, you will find that it is 6 centimeter. That means, in the nature of law, the object is going from 7 centimeter to 6 centimeter, that is higher level to lower level. but the structure is like this, right? And the center of gravity lies in the axis of rotation, that is in the middle, but the height is here 7 centimeter due to the structure, and there it is 6 centimeter. That means it is going from higher level to lower level. But we are seeing that it is going from lower level to higher level. We are just seeing this one, but due to the structure of double cone structure, the center of gravity is above here than that position. That's why it goes from lower level to higher level. You see here? That means the center of gravity here is at a height of 7 centimeter, and the center of gravity at this position is 6 centimeter. That's why it goes from higher level to lower level. That means it goes upward. But actually it is going downward. Actually the object is going downward from 7 centimeter to 6 centimeter, because here at this position the center of gravity is a height of 7 centimeter, and in this position the center of gravity is a height of 6 centimeter. That means this object, this double cone shaped object, moves from higher level to lower level, that is from 7 centimeter to 6 centimeter. That's why it goes from this position to that position. You see here? Let us see. Yes, it is going from lower level to higher level, it seems. But actually, when we put this object here, you have to find the center of the height of the center of gravity. And here see the height of the center of gravity at this position is 7 centimeter. And when it goes there at the other end, the center of gravity at this position we are finding it to be 6 centimeter. Here you see? Here it is 6 centimeter. We measure this one, we are getting 6 centimeter. That means actually this is due to the structure, it is going from higher level to lower level. Because the geometrical shape of this object is unique. That's why it seems that it goes from lower level to higher level, but it doesn't, right? It goes from 7 centimeter to 6 centimeter. That's why it goes from lower level to higher level. You see here? Right. Now you see here, if we put this pencil, we will measure this height from the center of mass is in the middle of this pencil, center of mass, right? And if you measure the height here, right? You measure the height. It is 5.5 centimeter. And if we measure the height here, it is 2 centimeter. That means it is going from higher level to lower level, because the shape of this pencil is uniform, and here also the shape of this pencil is also uniform. That's why it goes from higher level to lower level. You see here? Due to the shape of this structure, it goes from higher level to lower level. But whenever you are putting this structure double cone shape, the shape of this is unique in geometry, and you find that the center of gravity lies in the horizontal axis of this rotation, right? And in the middle here, if we find the center of gravity here, then the center of gravity will be, again we are measuring, it is nearly 7 centimeter. But when it goes at this other position, goes at the other position, we are finding that it is nearly 6 centimeter. That means here the height of the center of gravity from the ground is 7 centimeter, and the height of the center of gravity here is 6 centimeter. That it goes from actually higher level to lower level. But due to the structure, it seems that it goes from lower level to higher level. But it is going from higher level to lower level, because the level is here is 7 centimeter, and here the level is 6 centimeter above the ground, the center of gravity. In this way you can explain. Now we'll see here how it goes. If we put this object here and this object here, let us see how it goes. both the object is changing the direction, right? Now you explain why this happens, right? You know this, you see here, this double concept is unique in its geometrical structure, and we find that the center of gravity lies in the horizontal line of axis of rotation, and it is in the middle. That's why if we measure the center of gravity, the height of center of gravity from the ground, it is nearly 7 centimeters, and when it comes at this position, we are measuring, if we measure the height of this object from from the ground, it is 6 centimeter. That means it is actually the center of gravity from 7 centimeter to 6 centimeter. It is going from higher level to lower level, but it seems that it goes from lower level to higher level. You see here. This is the reason why this object goes from lower level to higher level. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.